Today we're going to learn 10 common expressions you must know if you want to speak English better while we're using the comprehensible input method. Let's get started. So the first expression we're going to learn today is I have no idea. So I have no idea means I don't know. When you don't know something, you say I have no idea. Let's make some real example. So the first example is where is my books? I have no idea. So if someone asks you where is my book is and you don't know where is the book is, you say I have no idea. And that means I don't know where the book is. Like I don't know. I have no idea. Let's make another example. I have no idea what happened. I have no idea what happened. So you don't know what happened. You say I don't know what happened or I have no idea what happened. Both the same. So we use I have no idea when we don't know something. Let's jump to the next expression. The next expression is it depends. This expression is very common, so it means the answer changes based on the situation. The answer changes based on the situation. Let's make another two examples. So the first example is, will you come tomorrow? It depends. So someone asks you, will you come tomorrow? And you say, it depends. So you don't know what happened tomorrow. It depends the situation. Let's make another example. It depends on the weather. It depends on the weather. So it depends on the up to the weather. Is the weather cool? I will come. If the weather not good, I won't come. So it depends on the weather. Let's jump to the next expression. The next expression is why not? Why not? Meaning a friendly way to say yes. Why not is a friendly way to say yes. Let's make two examples. Let's go to the park. Why not? Your friend or someone says, let's go to the park, and you say, why not? So you say that means, yes, let's go to the park. Or, can we play a game? Why not? Can we play a game? Why not? So you accepted to play the game. You say, yes, in a polite way. Why not? Let's jump to the next expression. The next expression is go ahead. So go ahead means you have permission to do something. Go ahead, you have a permission to do something. Let's make two examples. So the first example is, can I ask you a question? Go ahead. Can I ask you a question? Go ahead. Or go ahead and start. Go ahead and start. So you have a permission to start something or to ask a person a question. You say, can I ask you a question? Go ahead. So you have permission, full permission to ask a question. Let's jump to the next expression. The next expression is after you. So after you means a polite way to let someone go first. A polite way to let someone go first. For example, after you please come in. After you please come in. So if you and your friends or a person you respect wanna come into maybe in a room, you wanna come into office, whatever, and you say after you, that means go first and I would be next. Or after you can go first. After you can go first. Even if you're eating food with someone and you don't want to start, you want to be the second, you say after you. So start the food and I would be the next. Let's jump to the next expression. The next expression is take your time. Take your time. Take your time means there is no need to hurry. There's no need to hurry. Let's make two examples. Take your time, I will wait. Take your time, I will wait. Or you can take your time. You can take your time. It's very polite way to say someone. You should not in hurry, just take your time. Let's jump to the next expression. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's very common and we use in our daily life. It doesn't matter. It means it is not important. So something is not important. It doesn't matter. Let's make two examples. It doesn't matter. Don't worry. It doesn't matter. Don't worry. If a person even says something joke and he's worrying something like, and you say, no, it doesn't matter. Like, I don't take it that personal or it's not important to me. Let's make another example. Which one do you want? It doesn't matter. Which one do you want? It doesn't matter. If you want to buy shoes, if you want to buy, or if you want to take something, maybe two phone, same two phones, your friends say, choose one. You say, it doesn't matter, just give me one. It's not important. I don't know, guys, is that good explanation? But I think so. Let's jump to the next. The next is that makes sense. That makes sense. It means I understand and agree. I understand and agree. That makes sense. Let's make two examples. That makes sense. Thank you for explaining. That makes sense. Thank you explaining. So you understand something or agree with. Let's make another example. Oh, that makes sense now. Oh, that makes sense now. Let's jump to the next. The next is I'm not sure. I'm not sure. So I'm not sure means I don't know for certain. So you don't know something for sure or certain, like you're not sure. Let's make two examples. I'm not sure about the answer. I'm not sure about the answer. So you're not certain the answer. You see, two or not. Let's make another example. I'm not sure if he is home. I'm not sure if he is home. So you don't know if he at home or not. Let's jump to the last. The last one is I hope so. So I hope so means I want something good to happen. When you want to something good happen, you say I hope so. Let's make example. I hope so. I want to pass the test. I hope so. I want to pass the test. Or will it be sunny tomorrow? I hope so. Will it be sunny tomorrow? I hope so. So you hoping that tomorrow would be sunny. So guys, those are 10 common expressions and we use our daily life. I want you to write down all of them and practice your English. Use these expressions today and practice your English. Learn English with me. And guys, if I over explain this expressions, I'm not a native speaker. I'm English learner like you. I can make mistakes. So let me know your feedback. Thank you very much. See you next video. Have a good one, you all.